Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, good morning. How are you? How are you, my friends? How are you? I'm so happy to be with you again. And welcome to English for Fun. How are you today? Before we start, I would like you to make sure that your hearing aids are on. Are yours on? Mine's on. And make sure your looking eyes are on. Can you see everything? I can see you. Okay, let's start. And in today's video, we are going to learn the days of the week. Let's start. Number one is Sunday. Sunday. Repeat after me. Sunday. Let's try to use it in a sentence. Is it a Sunday today? Yes, it's Sunday. Is it a Sunday today? No, it isn't. What day is it today? It's Sunday. The day number two is Monday. Repeat after me. Monday. Monday. Is it Monday today? Yes, it's Monday. Is it Monday today? No, it isn't. What day is it today? It's Monday. The day number three is Tuesday. Repeat after me. Tuesday. Tuesday. Is it Tuesday today? Yes, it's Tuesday. Is it Tuesday today? No, it isn't. What day is it today? It's Tuesday. The day number four is Wednesday. Wednesday. Repeat after me. Wednesday. Is it Wednesday today? Yes, it is. It's Wednesday. Is it Wednesday today? No, it isn't. What day is it today? Today is Wednesday. The day number five is Thursday. Thursday. Is it Thursday today? Yes, it's Thursday. Is it Thursday today? No, it isn't. What day is it today? It's Thursday. The day number six is Friday. Friday. Repeat after me. Friday. Is it Friday today? Yes, it's Friday. Is it Friday today? No, it isn't. What day is it today? It's Friday. The last day of the week is number seven. The day number seven is Saturday. Saturday. If it's difficult for you to pronounce, divide this word into three parts. Saturday. Saturday. Is it Saturday today? Yes, it's Saturday. Is it Saturday today? No, it isn't. What day is it today? It's Saturday. Well done, guys. Now you know all days of the week. Let's repeat again. Number one is Sunday. Number one is Sunday. Number two is Monday. Number two is Monday. Number three is Tuesday. Number three is Tuesday. Number four is Wednesday. Number 4 is Wednesday. Number 5 is Thursday. Number 5 is Thursday. Number 6 is Friday. Number 6 is Friday. And number 7 is Saturday. Number 7 is Saturday. Good. Now let's have a little bit of fun and let's start singing a song. Do you know the song about the days of the week? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. The days of the week, the days of the weeks are all the days of the weeks. The days of the weeks, the days of the weeks are all days of the weeks. Did you like the song? If you want, just sing it again and enjoy your time learning English. That's it for today, and we'll see you next time. See you next time. Bye bye.